Abdul Hadi is a young boy whose dream is to have his very own chickens, and every morning he wakes up filled with excitement to check on his feathered friends, play with them on the roof, and gather fresh eggs for breakfast. With each new day, Abdul Hadi eagerly learns the art of chicken care, discovering their quirky behaviors and enjoying the simple joys of life right from his back door. As he dives deeper into his passion, Abdul Hadi finds delight in observing their playful antics and formulating new ways to keep them happy and healthy. Each day brings new adventures for Abdul Hadi, from chasing after his spirited chickens to celebrating the thrill of gathering fresh eggs, filling his heart with happiness. Through these experiences, Abdul Hadi learns important lessons about responsibility, friendship, and the joy of nurturing life, making each moment with his chickens unforgettable. As his love for chickens grows, he invites friends to join in creating a sense of community while working together to improve their little corner of the world.